Hello folks, today we're going to talk about Autodesk Infraworks and how we can use this program to initiate some preliminary design for our project. So first we'll want to open up Infraworks by going to the Start button, find your A section under Autodesk Infraworks. You can fire up Autodesk Infraworks from here. That'll bring up an interface, something that looks like this. First, what you'll want to do though is you'll want to sign in to your Autodesk account. So if you're not signed in, click the top left corner, sign in, and then use your Autodesk account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Now for initial design, for any kind of preliminary design, it's probably best to go into the Model Builder application. The Model Builder will create a temporary surface for you with some background imagery which will help with the initial design. So I'm going to start Model Builder by clicking this button. That'll open up a separate interface, and notice that I can pan and zoom around here if I want using some zoom tools. I also have some different options for my background imagery if I like. I can also search through the search location. So if I'm looking for a particular area, I can go ahead and select that, and that'll drive me to that location. So what you want to do next is you want to specify an area of interest. You can do that by leaving this button selected, and whatever you see on your screen, it will create a model for that that view. Or you can be a bit more specific and use a rectangle or a polygon to hack out a particular area of interest. So I'm going to use a polygon. I'm just going to drag and drop my two corners, and select that option will allow me to then adjust any of my vertices if I need to. And then lastly, I will go ahead and give it a model name. So I will call it something unique and go ahead and create model. And what's going to happen is it's going to upload that data to and process it in the cloud and send you an email back letting you know when that's finished and when you can download your model. And what you'll get back is a surface, a rough surface, and some background imagery. So we'll just wait for that to finish processing. And when you're finished, you can close the Model Builder down completely. And if you want, you can update your little interface at the Home tab and try opening it up here. It might open if it's finished, but it's probably best to wait for an email first. And check your email in a few minutes, folks, and there it'll be there letting you know that it's finished. And you can come back to the All Models, do a quick refresh, select the model that you just created and give it a new name if you like, or just say OK, and that'll download that to a local directory, and we can open it up. And when that's finished, that'll open up and you've got yourself a model, a 3D model with some background imagery and some, notice you've got some 3D surface information there as well that you can now do some preliminary design on. So use your mouse controls to pan and zoom around. Notice you also have some toggles up here in which you can specify different options for navigation. So that's how you create a model in Infraworks. Thanks. Bye.